All right, let's check out this C3 Corvette, just in it, unique specialty and classics. 1973 Chevrolet Corvette T-top car. Nice looking little coupe. Of course, 1973, the last year you find any sort of chrome bumper on a Corvette, just on the rear. This particular car has also had side pipes added to it, which I think it gives it that classic kind of mid to late 70s Corvette look. Very popular. Now, this car here, one thing cool about this, this was a 980 paint code car. So this was originally an orange car from General Motors. Also would have had the dark saddle vinyl interior, which was a 418 trim. Still saddle interior in it. So very much the way it would have came back in 1973. According to the VIN in this car, was originally an L82 car. I'm not representing this, or we are not representing this car as the numbers matching. So Chevy V8 underneath the hood, and that is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. So do have a 4-speed in this also. As you can see, the paint has a nice reflection to it. Got a good luster, nice shine. There are some imperfections. You start looking around it. I'll see if I can kind of point some out as I come across them. There are a few here and there. I would consider this a very nice driver quality paint. As you can see, it does have a good look to it. No doubt about that. Go to your local cruise-ins, any of your local shows. This car is going to stand out. There was one right over here. See if I can get it to show up. Kind of a little crack. It's just real slight. If you can see it right there. Pretty tiny. But that's kind of some of the stuff I'm talking about. And I'll show you a little more as I go. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can look at them, take your time, blow them up, look at them close. The still pictures you can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it. That'll take you right there. You can sure call us too. 507-386-1726. Be happy to discuss this car with you. As you can see, a little later model Vette wheel, something from, I would possibly say, mid to late 70s. Would have seen them on a little later C3s. And you can look up and down this car. I mean, it's not full of nicks or dings or scratches. You're up and down the side of it. Just a few imperfections here and there. Notice there's one little tiny kind of chip back here that shows up. Again, kind of tough to get them to show up all the time. They're not real big. But there's your saddle interior. 4-speed on the floor. Now, we do consider trades. That's where this one actually came from, was a trade to us. Financing is available. We can assist with shipping, transportation all over the continental United States. And this car may be eligible for an extended warranty. You could sure discuss that with your sales associate if you'd like to discuss this car with any of us. There's your rear chrome bumper, 73 last year of it. A good look at the deck back here. Now, this car, as far as equipment options, does have power steering, power brakes. Also has had headers installed. I did mention earlier this was originally a L82 engine car. Has a T in the VIN to designate that. See, somebody just kind of filled where the alarm keyhole would have been, just to fill that hole in. Does not look bad. Let's go ahead and check the interior of this out. Fire it up and check out the engine bay. So the saddle interior. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Like I said earlier, nice sounding car with the side pipes on it. I'm going to also pop the headlamps up for you. As you can see, the light works. Pull them on again so you can see that. Your headlamp light. We'll make sure they popped up. always get in the C3 Vettes. Let's see if I can turn this. Yep, there we go. We do have radio does also work. So radio works, wipers work. I got the headlights flipped up. Here's those, they came up. Let's check out these gauges. Fuel gauge looks like works. Clock does not. Imagine that. Oil pressure I noticed was moving earlier also. Battery and of course the temp gauge I would assume will come up with temperature. Tach also worked. One other thing I noticed when I was in here, you usually see these sagging about falling down on the floor. Nice shape on this one. Alright, let's slip out so you can hear this thing run. Let's check out the engine bay. Must be getting old, a little tougher to get in and out of those. Car idles nicely. Slip around to the front. There's your headlights popped up. All good there. Tell you what, I'm going to reach in. Let's pop this hood so we can check out that engine bay. I think I can do this one one-handed. Let me get the door out of my way. Here we go. All right. See how smooth that runs. HEI ignition. Nicely dressed up with some chrome there. There's your headers, power steering, power brakes. Smooth running engine. Slip around to this side so you can hear it. Looking for a nice driver in a 73 Vette? There you go. So give us a call. Number would be 507-386-1726. Where you can see the pictures. All the still pictures you'll be seeing on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Remember, if you call in and you're talking to a sales consultant, this car may be eligible for an extended warranty. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at. Beautiful, original, orange-colored C3 Corvette. Give us a call.